It's a mostly dry weekend ahead, and then we're going to watch the tropics for Humberto and Imelda and what it can mean for New Jersey. Hey everyone, it's meteorologist Joe Martucci here. Let's take a look at our muggy meter as we kick off our forecast. Not as humid as where we were on Thursday, where it was actually our most muggy day since mid-August. But still, we're going to be in the feeling it territory for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So sorry for your hair there. It's still a little bit of that air you can wear as we round out the month of September. Here's a look at our futurecast. Any rain showers are out of here by about 9 a.m. or so. And then we're dry for the rest of today. And then as we go into the evening, you see a few areas of green here. I think for the most part, though, those sprinkles stay in Taylor Hamland as we go into our Friday evening. Here's a look at our bus stop forecast. Temperatures staying 65 to 70-ish degrees through 8 to 9 a.m. You'll need the umbrella. Walk into the bus stop or walk into school here, but you won't need it for the afternoon. We'll see a few peaks of sunshine, but really the bigger story are the temperatures. Low 80s for Freehold, Hamilton, and Upper Township as well. And over at the beaches, we're still 80 in Long Branch and 76 in Atlantic City and LBI. We have northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, which help to bring a little bit of that drier air, and that's why today is not as muggy as yesterday. Friday night will be mild and muggy here. Lows will be in the 60s, patchy fog around inland, especially west of the Garden State Parkway and in the Pinelands. Then we take a look at our weekend. So it's mostly dry. I mean, we're going to be dry during the day on Saturday, but rain showers come in as we go into the overnight hours, and it will even be heavy at times. I do believe by about 9 a.m. Sunday, this rain is out of here, and then we're dry for the second half of the weekend. So when you add this all up, we're looking for a dry day Saturday, rain Saturday night, starting 9 to 11 p.m. And then by Sunday, this rain is out 8 to 10 a.m. to lead to sunshine here. Temperatures will be in the low 70s in the beach towns here, a little bit higher as you make your way inland. Now, let's take a look at the tropics here. We are still dealing with Humberto, which is a hurricane and will become a major hurricane. And then that red area that you see right now over Hispaniola. And over the next 7 days, it's projected to go to the north and west. Now, we take a look at where this possibly could be, these low pressure systems next Wednesday, and they're pretty close to each other. Where you see those purplish areas are the most likely regions of where we would see the low pressure. This is something called the Fujiwara effect. Anytime you have tropical systems within 900 miles of each other, you get this effect where they could spin around each other, they could merge and become a bigger storm, and that's why we have still fairly low confidence on the forecast. I mean, I could say for sure there's no direct impact to New Jersey with this, but coastal flooding and gusty winds are likely Tuesday to Thursday, and some rain is likely Tuesday and Wednesday. The question is just how significant will it be? Will this be more of a nuisance kind of issue Tuesday and Wednesday, or something that we do really have to take some preparations for in terms of the flooding, getting into a number of roadways and the rain being heavy? For now, though, we are mostly dry as we go through the weekend. Temperatures will be in the mid-70s through next Tuesday. And then notice the cooler air on Wednesday and Thursday. We have a massive Arctic high pressure moving in, and it will be feeling also crisp as we go into our first days of October.